Do you ever wish you could just drop your head off at somebody's house and come back and pick it up after the hair is finished? What's up YouTube? I'm Kimberly B, as you can clearly see below, and today I'll be showing you guys my process on how I did my own lemonade braids for the first time. It was such a struggle. It was not a beautiful experience. The ending result came out looking nice, but man, the process. OMG, so freaking annoying. Freaking annoying. I got The process of learning how to do lemonade braids was not pretty, but I came out on top because I have a new skill. I had a gorgeous style for vacation, and I had so much fun with these freaking braids, y'all. A Slade hippie with Slade lashes and eyebrows.
Man, this right here, the best mother trucking pizza ever since ever.
Alright you guys, so we're just out here. We're about to go take off our swimming suits and come back down in our don't be getting my side back. What's up YouTube? My name is Kimberly B, as you can clearly see below, and today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this lemonade braids look. This was my first time doing this hairstyle. I have never did feed-in braids on myself before. I was always kind of, I guess you can say, intimidated by the whole process of it, because I mean I tried it before, like a little braid, but like I never successfully like did my whole head, so it was really like a trial and error thing for me. This is the back of it, side view, front view, and as well I went ahead and I did about 3 little individuals on the side in order to give it some more fullness. But yeah, it's my first time successfully doing a lemonade braid style. I never tried this before, so it was really brand new to me, but somehow I managed to do something that was fairly decent. So if you just keep on watching, I'll show you guys how I did it, and yeah, bye. Thus far for my parting area, yeah, it kind of looks a funky mess back there, but I'm trying to get it together. I've never done these type of braids before, so we'll see how this goes. The hair that I'm using is this honey blonde color. I got the big packs. I got 2 of these packs. These are color 27, and then I got 1 pack of the 613, and these are from the brand X-Pression. They're the Prestretched 3 times, some word I can't pronounce, African collection, Kanekalon hair, and let's get started. And I'm also using this olive oil moisturizer that I have. Hey guys, so I finally figured out how to attach my hair, but as you can see, I'm more than likely gonna have to go back and just redo these ones because it's just not tucked the way I wanted to, but I'm kind of getting the hang of it. So I'm coating my hair with the Murray's Beeswax because I'm trying to make it easier for me to tuck my natural ends in. I tried to pre-stretch my hair as much as I could, but as you can see, it don't work like that. So I just did a braid with like a mixture of the 2 colors. So now I'm going back to my honey blonde, and I don't want to include the platinum blonde until the end. So I start off by taking a very small section of hair, and then I gradually make them a tad bit bigger, or you can keep them consistently the same size, because regardless, at the end of the day, no matter the sizes of the hair that you take out to include, like, your braid is going to get bigger anyways eventually. But at the end of the day, you just want to have enough hair to, you know, create your braid out of. So I've done so. So first, I start off by simply braiding this section just a little bit. And I'm taking a very, very small little section of hair and I'm adding that in and combining it with the neighboring hair strand that's already going, and I just start braiding. Add in another bit. Add some more. And I add mine up underneath the braid, like up underneath my natural hair. I don't go over top, or I try not to. I know sometimes I do by accident, but if I do, it's not intentional. And as I go down, I try to smooth out the section of hair as I go too, in case I have any natural ends. This is a hot mess, oh my god. That's one thing I don't like about using the braids. I feel like it sets the weave hair up for failure and napping together. But I use it because I'm trying to give myself a neater look. Now I'm putting another piece in there. Keep on braiding. And I think I need to add at least one more section of hair to this braid to make it a bit thicker and as well for length. I'm gonna go ahead and add one of those in. So I got another piece. I'm gonna go ahead and get my grip back and add her into the mix as well. It does help to have your sections that you want to add into your braiding hair already ready, so that you don't have to loosen your grip in order to go and grab another piece. This far though, I think that my style would look a lot better if I had like blown out hair prior to attempting to do this style. But yeah, I don't like the heat on my hair, so we're gonna see what we can do. And as well, I'm gonna do some individuals right here along this side to try to make it look fuller on the side of my head, up underneath my braids, you know. Do a couple little individuals. I'm braiding edges, y'all. Yeah, I don't know about this style. These things take forever, but I wanted really, really long braids this time. Didn't want no short shit. I wanted long braids, long blonde braids. That's what I wanted. That braid is done. As you can see here, I'm parting my hair to put 3 individual box braids on the side. You don't have to be too specific about it, because the other braids that you do fall into the side of your hair will cover up those box braids and they'll blend right in. Alright, we got one individual done over here. It's very ratchet, but I don't care. It's fine. I'm tired. Okay, That was a very weird moment. So you guys, I finished this portion of my hair, which is the side, and I think it looks good. I think for the most part. I'm not gonna fix some of these, but moving on to the back, I went ahead and took this section of hair, and I'm gonna do it separately from this back little neck section. So this is where I'm starting next. Different, you know. This far, I think like I'm holding it down. I feel like I'm doing okay. I'm just super excited to see like what it looks like in the back. Ew. Yeah, you can definitely see my part. Fuck it at this point though. I ain't got time. I know y'all probably like, dang, she looked mad. I was mad. I was so mad, sis. Yo, I'm telling you, this style is like that style that'll test you. But honestly, like, as you can see, like my hair was not perfect, but the more I practiced and the more I tried, I finally kind of got it. You know, I found a way to make it work for me. So if you're trying this, like, my advice definitely, of course, as stated before, is to try to have your hair as stretched as possible. Make sure that you have your sections ready to go so that you have smoother and easier transitions, because when you're trying to separate hair from a full pack of hair, you're gonna have to loosen up your grip in order to effectively grab that hair, you know, without making a big mess with the rest of the hair. So have your stuff ready to go, be prepared, and, you know, just be patient. You know, it's really hard. It's hard out here in these streets, you know, to have patience with your hair, but you got to, you know. And at the end of the day, like, you'll be really, really proud of yourself for trying and pushing through anyways, even when it gets hard, you know. Hey guys, so I finished the top and the sides finally. Like, when I started this hairstyle, I really thought I was not going to be able to do it. I thought it was just too hard, but after a while, like practicing, I figured it out. Okay, so let's finish the back. OMG. I don't know what the heck is wrong with this hair right now. Usually it doesn't do this, but it's doing this to me right now. so freaking annoying. Freaking annoying. Annoying. So you guys, this concludes the video footage of me and my process. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch my video. I hope that if you are going to be doing this process yourself, that you were able to take something from it. And I hope you subscribe and come back and see me in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.